Today we are making a pot of soup. We have the sweet potato, the carrot, the broccoli, onion, green onion, wiri pepper, and garlic. The weather in Canada this weekend is very stormy. A lot of shoveling to do later. A lot of snow fell. So this will be a good pot of soup for the weather. Vegetable for the soup. We added some celery and parsley. And some olive oil. Adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Adding the onion, pepper, garlic, celery. Adding the carrot. Sweet potato. Adding the broccoli. That is just 1 pound of broccoli, 1 big sweet potato, 1 huge carrot. Then beat that up. Now we are adding 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 pack of sazan that will give it a nice flavor. Half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix it all up. Adding 2 teaspoons of flour, adding one broth here, 1 box of broth, vegetable broth. We'll add 2 cups of water, boiling water.
Adding 1 cup. Say adding milk.
Adding the milk, 1 cup of milk, and another cup of milk, 2 cups of milk in all. In total 3 cups of milk. Look at it, guys. Looking very delicious. Look at the color, guys. Looking very delicious. Look at that. Nice, colorful. Look at the soup, guys. Looking very good. Very colorful. Smell it. Very nice. Now we are adding 1 cup of cheese. Look at this. Look how nice it's looking. Look at it, nice and creamy. Nice pot of creamy soup. Vegetable oil melted. This creamy and broccoli sweet potato soup.
Potato soup looking really nice color. Smells good too. Anyways, guys, if you like how it turned out, make sure you put a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye. Happy Sunday. A big shout out to my niece Devika. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday. Have a good one for your birthday.